Welcome to our course. Before we get started, there are a few things I would like to tell you. First of all, if you haven't already, you should download the software Xcode, which is available for free in the App Store. We will be using this software throughout the entire course, so you should have it installed before starting the course. I also want to inform you about two important features here on Udemy. First, there are lectures with downloadable materials. You can get them up here and make sure you click on the files to download them. Why don't you try it in the next lecture, where you can download the resources we are going to use in our apps. We also have the Q&A section, which you can access with the button down here. You can see all the questions for the current lecture and ask questions of your own. I'll just type in a question about the resources here and post it. This way we, the instructors, and possibly other students are able to answer it. You can also search the existing questions to see if somebody already asked the question that you are going to ask. Great! Now we are all set. After downloading the resources, in the next lecture, it's time to start our journey.